Ever wanted to create your own custom stickers without needing fancy design software? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to design eye-catching stickers using Canva, and the best part, it's super easy and completely beginner friendly. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either choose a sticker template or set up your own design by clicking Create a Design and entering custom dimensions. Square shapes like 1000 by 1000 pixels work great for stickers, but you can pick any size depending on your idea. Once your blank canvas is ready, head over to the Elements tab. Here, you can search for shapes, icons, or illustrations that match your theme, whether it's cute doodles, bold logos, or motivational quotes. If you already have your own design, go to the Uploads tab and drag it right in. Now it's time to personalize your sticker. Change the colors, fonts, or styles to match your vibe. Canva makes it easy to test different looks until you find the perfect one. Want that classic sticker style outline? Select your graphic, click on Edit Image, then go to Shadows and choose Outline. Adjust the thickness and color to make your design pop. White outlines are super popular for sticker cuts. Once you're happy with your design, click Download, select PNG, and make sure to check the transparent background option. This gives you a clean, print-ready sticker file that you can use for your planner, laptop, or even sell online. And there you have it, your own professional-looking sticker made in minutes using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to keep exploring new designs and experiment with different shapes, colors, and themes. The more you play around, the better your sticker game will get. Thanks for watching and happy designing.